Tell you guys we're having starting na. Hi Noreen ko no. Lala. So hi guys, let me show you what I've been eating in the past couple of days because we were my brother-in-law and his wife and youngest child came to Cebu because they for a vacation, and the first stop we went to is Cafe Laguna. But unfortunately, Cafe Laguna right now is under renovation. This is one of their favorite restaurants while they were still living here. We decided to just go to the sister company or the Laguna Garden Cafe. Practically the same food anyway. But we started off with some chicharon bulaklak, and I guess even the grandpas are enjoying this one. The crunchy chicharon bulaklak, or we call it in the Cebuano ginabot. And my sister-in-law Gisela, have friends who watch this vlog. So hi to all of them, like Noreen Bisara for sure. So this is our lunch here at late lunch here at Laguna Garden Cafe, and we have some fish tinola, we had bangus, and of course this one, the crispy pata, which is always a Filipino favorite now. And for gatherings, I always prefer having crispy pata, and I guess Papa's enjoying his soup, and me, let me show myself eating some crispy pata, a good chunk of crispy pata. And of course Isabel, that's the youngest, she's enjoying her crispy kangkong, and enjoying the different offerings of Laguna or Cafe Laguna group. And I guess they'll be reopening Cafe Laguna on sometime in July, and this one is one of my favorites, the chicken pandan. So pandan wrap, wrap in pandan leaves and then fried. Then of course Pinoy classic sisig, which is of course a favorite, instant favorite, a favorite among people, easy to eat. It's like minced pork, chopped pork head, and with a lot of onions. Then of course we put egg here, but a lot of Kapampangans will say you shouldn't put egg, but hey, we also love sisig with egg. It's great. Some even put mayonnaise, but for me, I don't really mind about what's true or not, because people are having their interpretation naman, sad, because not everyone likes liver or brains. Diba? So egg will do. Anyway, that's good protein, rich in choline, and something that we eat practically every day. So here's my favorite chicken pandan. Unwrapping it and then devouring it. Diba? So let me know so it's so hard to take shots with kung kuan ba, with just one hand, but we manage. And this time my next stop is I went to Marco Polo Plaza, Cebu, because my friend Nesty is getting married, and I joined in for their food tasting, for their reception. So we were offered salads, of course, bread, and so we're tasting the food that will be served on their wedding day on August 1. So excited na sad ko, because I'll definitely be enjoying the food there. Of course, nag-start pa ta sa salads. This is Caesar salad. I know they're serving a lot of salad, but they have soup also, their mushroom soup. This is good also. And then kinilaw. That. And yes. So those are the starters basically. So, and this is the beef. yummy. Of course, this mushroom soup, this is quite rich and good, but you know, Maris find it a bit salty, but the flavors are there. He enjoyed it. There's orange chicken, which Nesty would love to serve. And there's more chicken dishes. There's two kinds of noodles, but we'll just choose one. Diba? I think that's the mee goreng and the yakisoba. Diba? And then a fish with ham. And then sweet and sour fish. I think I prefer the sweet and sour fish because it's classic. Ratatouille. We have the barbecue chicken. And of course, desserts. Not too much for me, but yes, they have cheesecakes, tiramisu, with leche plan, and more. Diba? Wow, and Brazo de Mercedes and Maha and finally this was my third meal basically, but not this is the day after na. It's already breakfast time here at Seda Ayala Center, Cebu. Diba? So this is the egg station. And now we're just gonna enjoy some good food. Of course, buffet breakfast is quite good. A lot of selections, but you know, I think they're still preparing the stations, and we are gonna wait for our eggs. but yeah, there's so many choices for eggs, and of course, if you stay in a hotel, you book in a hotel like Seda, you have to have breakfast. Sayang, di ba? Good selection, not overwhelming, but the things that the healthy stuff are there, the sinful stuff, the savory stuff are there too. It's a good spread,
beans,
I would say.
sausages, fruits, singkamas, bahiwa, and then Grandma Noodle Station, cereals, aho, itlog maalat, we have Indian station, the papadam here, fish curry, slow cooked pepper beef. Oh, we have chorizo over here. Rice, corn, pumpkins, sak-sak, morning, nununan, adobo. Nununan o adobo. Yesterday we had congee and we have ayos caldo and champurrado. This time, I don't know, probably I'll have noodles. Yan ay mga carbs there. Morning. Wow, sama na. That's my breakfast here. Diba? Choose yan. So atong balik ko na atong omelette. And ito tas omelette din. And then omelette. Wala. And atong itlog. What?